Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a predictor bot in Telegram. If you're interested in gaming bots or want to explore prediction-based tools, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First things first, open Google on your device and search for Aviator Predictor Bot or Predictor Bot Telegram. You'll see a variety of options, but keep in mind that there are many unofficial bots out there, so always be cautious of the sources you choose. Next, if you find a trusted website offering the bot, click on the link to get to the download page. Many of these sites offer APK files or direct links that lead you to the Telegram bot's official page. However, if you're having trouble finding one, don't worry. There are other ways to explore predictor bots on Telegram. If you don't find the exact Aviator Predictor bot, open Telegram on your device, then search for Aviator Predictor bot or Prediction bot. Sometimes, bots are linked directly through channels, and you might be able to find a reliable one there. That's it for today's tutorial. You've now learned how to explore and set up a predictor bot in Telegram. Whether you found the Aviator Predictor bot or another, you can use it to enhance your game experience and predictions. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!